Are you getting a diagnostic messages window when you try to open or extract a WinRAR archive? That message can point to several different problems, from a damaged download to a corrupted archive. In this guide, we'll go through the most useful fixes, step by step. First, test the archive to find out what's actually wrong. Open WinRAR, select the archive, then choose Test from the Tools or Commands menu. WinRAR will scan the archived files and display any problems in the Diagnostic Messages window. This gives you a better idea of whether the archive is damaged. If the message mentions CRC failure, corrupt data, or an unexpected end of archive, the download may be incomplete or damaged. The quickest solution is often to download the archive again from the original trusted source. If the source provides a checksum, compare it with your downloaded file before extracting it. If you don't have another copy, try WinRAR's built-in repair feature. Right-click the archive, choose WinRAR, and select Repair Archive. You can also open WinRAR and use the Repair command from the Tools menu. WinRAR creates a new repaired copy instead of modifying your original archive. Repair works best when the RAR archive contains a recovery record. This extra recovery information can help WinRAR reconstruct damaged data. Without one, WinRAR may still rebuild the archive structure, but files with failed checksums may not be recoverable. So, yeah, repair is worth trying, but it isn't guaranteed. If your archive is split into multiple parts, check that every volume is present and stored in the same folder. A message like Packed Data CRC failed in volume name can help identify which volume is damaged. If one part is missing or corrupted, download that part again if possible. Next, make sure WinRAR is up to date. The current 2026 release is WinRAR 7.23, released on June 30th, 2026. It includes security and extraction-related fixes, so updating is a good troubleshooting step. Finally, try extracting the archive to a simple new folder with enough free space, instead of a protected or crowded location. If the same diagnostic message appears after a fresh download, testing, repair, and an update, the archive itself may be too badly damaged to recover, so try another copy if one is available. And that's it. Start with testing the archive, then re-download, repair, and check the individual volumes.